All right. So last time I installed the speaker and the mic to the head. But what do I want to do now? I have a few things that I want to do. So one of the things are on the hardware side. I want to make the neck a bit stronger since these two servos down here, they are pretty weak. So I've been thinking about, oh yeah, as you can see, I've been thinking about using what's it called, stepper motors, but they are the problem with stepper motors. Like they are strong and they are very precise. But if I, for example, would push a stepper motor so much that it can't like work against my force, I might actually damage my power supply, I think, because the stepper motor is itself a generator. If you try to rotate it manually, so that's why servos are a lot better because they don't work like that. um, yeah, but these servos are way too weak, so I'm gonna have to buy some stronger ones simply. But that will also take more current. But yeah, hopefully that will solve problems. I have to make some calculations, of course, to see that those servos will actually be enough. And then we have down here. So as you can see, this I put a stabilizer here, but as you can see, yeah, it's very wobbly, and this is not like intentional in any way. So yeah, I simply have to yeah, my idea was that I would put some bell bearings there so I could stabilize it even more. But yeah, I've never worked with bell bearings before, but a lot of robotics people are doing that, so I don't think it should be that complicated. And yeah, what else? Right, so I also wanted to print the actual face for Fi. So like the skin. I'm thinking just PLA for now, but I might also experiment a little bit with TPU, since that's a bit more flexible and more skin-like. Yeah. But that I have to think a little bit more about that because like it's not only here that it's going to be attached, it's also going to be attached to the backside of the head, and I haven't even thought that much about that yet, and also like the lower body later on. But maybe I could just make like a prototype just to show you guys how it looks like, and yeah, make her actually look like a humanoid robot and not like this creature. Yeah, what else? I think that's it. No, wait, right. And on the software side, I want to explore. Yeah, I want to explore exploration. So, I can, I can right now I can like type in or talk to Fi, and explain what I want her to do. For example, move the head to this position and so on. But I want her to be able to explore on her own. And it doesn't have to be like super complicated, just like a randomizing function that makes her look around a bit. And I think if I'm like if I'm collecting video data from that, I could also use that later to teach her different things. It could also like work if I want her to find an item, she needs to be able to explore so she can find that item, for example. Yeah. And then another thing is also that I want her to be able to localize or target a specific item. So, for example, if I have this pen, she can like look at this pen, exactly where it is. And if I like move it fast and she doesn't know where it is, she can go into exploration mode, and then find it by just pure randomness. That's the idea, at least. Yeah, I have experimented with target mode because I have a face detection feature, but yeah, I accidentally deleted CUDA, so yeah, I have to reinstall that, and that is kind of annoying sometimes. Also, my GPU isn't the best, but yeah, I will get a better GPU. All right, so that's the goal, or the goals. Then we'll see what I'll work on. I'll probably just work on whatever I feel like. And yeah, see you tomorrow. All right, a quick update. I printed out the ear in TPU this time, compared to my PLA one, and it seems that like the print is fine. As you can see, there's still some stringing left. But as you can see, the support is a bit hard to remove. But it won't be a problem for me this time. And I was worrying about the holes for the screws, if they would be solid enough, but yeah, it's actually not a problem at all. I tested a smaller part here, and as you can see, there's no problem at all. They are actually quite good at that. So I think I will be testing to print out a part of the face now.